Hello, I am Mrs. Manisha Pradeep Khaire, Faculty of Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, discussing the chapter Pharmaceutical Container. First, we will see definition. Pharmaceutical containers are the devices that holds the drug and it may or may not be in direct contact with the pharmaceutical preparation. Closures are the devices by means of which containers can be opened and closed. We will see ideal qualities of a good container. First, container should be neutral towards the material which is stored in it. Second, it should protect the preparation from environmental condition. Then, container must be non-toxic. Container must be labeled easily and it should have elegant appearance. Next, containers should meet legal requirement of FDA. The closures of the container must be easily removable and replaceable. Various materials which are used for construction of containers are paper, metal, glass and plastic. We will see types of container. First, well-closed container. A well-closed container protects the contents from loss during transportation, handling, storage or sale, etc. Then we will see single dose container. These containers are used to supply only one dose of medicament and hold generally parenteral products, for example ampoules. Next, multi-dose containers. These containers allow the withdrawal of dose at various intervals without changing the strength, quality or purity of remaining portion. These containers hold more than one dose and are used for injectables, for example vials. Next, light resistant containers. These containers protect the medicament from harmful effects of light. These containers are used to store those medicaments which are photosensitive. Then airtight containers. These are also called as the hermetic containers. These containers have airtight sealing or closing. These containers protect the product from dust, moisture and air. Next, aerosol containers. These containers are used to hold aerosol products. These containers have adequate mechanical strength in order to bear the pressure of aerosol packing. Then we will see first glass as a material for pharmaceutical packaging. We will see advantages of glass. They are transparent and available in various shapes and sizes. They can withstand the variation in temperature and pressure during sterilization. Next, they are economical and readily available. They can protect the photosensitive medicament from light during their storage. They are neutral and impermeable to moisture and atmospheric gases. They have good protection power. They do not deteriorate with age. They can be easily labeled and this glass container can be sealed hermetically or by removable closures. We will see disadvantages of glass. Glass is fragile, so its containers are easily broken when dropped or knocked. Second, glass containers are heavy, which increases the cost of its transportation from one place to another. Glass containers may release alkali to the aqueous preparation. Now we will see types of glass containers. In that, first glass, that is soda lime glass. This lime soda glass can be manufactured easily. It is not so expensive and it is used for storage of solid medicament. This soda lime glass is not suitable for storage of parenteral products because first it liberates alkali in aqueous preparation. On repeated use, its surface loses some of its brilliance. Then it is not resistant to sudden changes in temperature, and last one, flakes separate more easily as compared to other types of glass. Next, that is borosilicate glass. It is chemically more inert than that of the soda lime glass and it is highly resistant glass. Then umber color glass. Umber color glass container is used for storage of photosensitive pharmaceutical product because it has the capacity to filter out UV radiations. Next is the silicone treated glass. This glass is treated with the silicone so that it can be used for preparing containers to store alkali sensitive products. Sulfured glass. The soda lime glass, it is exposed to moist sulfur dioxide at about 500 degrees centigrade to get sulfured glass. It does not liberate alkali. Then neutral glass, it is resistant to alkalis, weather, and can also withstand autoclaving. It is used for the preparation of multi-dose vials, transfusion bottles, and ampoules. Thank you.